Hello YouTube, Robert here. Yesterday I posted a video on woodpeckers pecking at metal, and I was wondering, why would they be doing that? Why peck at the metal? Well, I googled it. I put in the search engine woodpecker pecking at window, why, with a question mark. And a bunch of people have wondered the same thing as I did. Really interesting post by this one girl. It was like USN Colorado was her name, and it makes sense. Woodpeckers, she says, woodpeckers do that when it's called drumming. Basically, it's telling other woodpeckers this is my area, and it's to attract mates. So that could be. It could be it. They're just drumming to make a lot of noise to show that female woodpeckers that there's a male in the area. Could be. I'm going to put a link of that video that I uploaded yesterday in the description below. Give it a like and subscribe if you haven't. Alright, YouTube, have a good one.